Hello and welcome to Rising Cousins, and I'm Nabiha, and today we're going to start with Microorganism Friend and Foe Part 2. This is the website www.risingcousins.com where you can find notes and MCQs for this chapter and much more. So, getting right to the point, Microorganism Friend and Foe. In this video, we're going to study about 6 uses of microorganisms. So first is making of curd and bread, second commercial use, third medicinal use, fourth vaccine, fifth increasing soil fertility, and sixth cleaning the environment. First, making of curd and bread. One day when my mom was doing something in the kitchen, I asked her what was she doing. So she told me that she is making curd from milk. I was a bit confused. How can we make curd from milk? Then she told me that lactobacillus is a bacteria which promotes the formation of curd. It actually multiplies in the milk and converts it into curd. Lactobacillus is also used in the formation of cheese. And the second is pickle. Activity 1 will help you understand. Take a bowl of flour, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it, add water to it. Now your solution will look like this. Don't forget to mix it. Now add yeast powder to it, which is the main ingredient in it. Now you will see the dough rising. What might be the result? The result is simply because yeast reproduces rapidly and produces CO2 during respiration. Bubbles of gas fill the dough and increase its volume. Yeast actually multiplies in the solution present in activity 1. So second is commercial use of microorganism. So microorganisms are really very useful in for commercial purposes. So they are used in large scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid, that is vinegar. Mainly yeast is used for the production of alcohol and wine on a large scale. So yeast is grown on natural sugars such as crushed fruits, rice, wheat and barley. Activity 2 shows fermentation. Okay, so take a beaker, add water to it. Now add sugar to it. You can add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now add yeast powder. Okay, now smell it. This is the smell of alcohol as sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. This process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Who discovered the process of fermentation? Hint is this scientist has also discovered a process in which milk is boiled to kill all the bacteria present in it. Done? Okay. The answer is Louis Pasteur. So Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1857. Easy. So he has also discovered a process known as pasteurization, where milk is boiled to to kill all the bacteria or deadly bacteria present in it. So medicinal use of microorganisms. When you fall ill, the doctor might have given you tablets, capsules, injections. Actually, it hurts. I know that. I used to grab that time. Okay, let it be. Um, so the main source of these medicine is microorganism. Easy. Medicines which kills or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganism are called antibiotics. Examples are erythromycin, tetracycline, and streptomycin. Okay. So these medicines are also mixed with the food of livestock and poultry to check the growth of these microorganisms. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was working on a culture of disease-causing bacteria. Suddenly, he found the spores of a little green mold in one of his culture plates. He observed that the presence of mold prevented the growth of bacteria. In fact, it also killed many of these bacteria. From this, the mold penicillin was prepared. Vaccine. So I used to think that vaccines are only given through injections. So I used to cry at that time. But no, The vaccines for vaccine like the disease polio are given through drops. Okay, so when any microorganism attacks our body produces antibodies which protect us and kill those bacteria or deadly microorganism. So several diseases, including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis, can be prevented by vaccination. These vaccines are given in early age to prevent these diseases. Okay, Edward Jenner discovered vaccine for smallpox in 1798. So he was the scientist who discovered the vaccine for smallpox. Please learn the dates. It's important. Increasing soil fertility. Some microorganisms can convert atmospheric nitrogen and into usable form and mix it with the soil. So these microorganisms that do so, like they fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility, are called biological nitrogen fixers. Important term. I mean definition. Okay. So example is Rhizobium bacteria, which are present in root nodules. Okay. Next, cleaning the environment. Microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, converting them into simple substances. These substances are again used by other plants and animals. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby clean up the environment. Okay, so cleaning the environment is the main task not only of microorganisms, even us. We should clean our environment. We should keep our environment clean means we should not use plastic. We should avoid plastic as much as possible. Okay? Okay, summary. We have 2 pages of summary and summaries in front of you. Take a screenshot as fast as you can, and here color codes are given. Color codes like pink color for name of scientist and blue color for simple sentences and green color for definitions. Screenshot. Okay, done. Thank you so much. This is the end of the video. In the next video, we're gonna start with harmful microorganisms. So please do subscribe, hit the like button, smash the bell icon, and stay tuned with the studies. Don't forget to study and study hard. Thank you.